Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
I will explain how to connect ReactJS with Python step by step. First, understand the architecture and how data flows. React runs as a frontend on localhost 3000 during development and renders UI. Python acts as the backend API on port 5000 and returns JSON. You can use REST endpoints or WebSocket connections to exchange data in real time. We will cover cores, development proxies, and production builds for a complete workflow. Follow each section and test endpoints with curl or a browser. Start by creating a Python virtual environment and installing Flask or Fast API. Create endpoints such as /API/data that return JSON, DICS, and HTTP status codes. Run the Python server on port 5000 during development using Flask Run or Uvicorn app reload. Enable cores for requests from localhost 3000 so the browser accepts API responses. Use Pydantic or Marshmallow for data validation in Fast API or Flask, respectively. Test your endpoints with curl and confirm responses are valid JSON and include appropriate headers. Create your React app using createReactApp and implementFetch or Axios calls. During development, set a proxy and package. JSON or call http://localhost 5000/API/data directly from your frontend. Use fetch/API/data or Axios. Get/API/data to receive JSON and then set state or use hooks. On production, build the React app using npm run build to generate static files in the build folder. Configure Python to serve those static files or use send from directory so a single backend serves frontend and API.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.